If you had an amalgam filling, like the silver black fillings, just having a phone call will increase the mercury vapor coming out of that filling, it leaching out even more and intoxicating you more. Or whatever metal have you on the body, also piercings, will be the antenna. So that's just simple, let's say, physics and chemistry, that if you have a phone call, usually the electromagnetic waves go to your cell phone and back to the tower. If you have any sort of metal in your mouth, it will go to that metal, then to the phone and then back. And it can be amplified up until, I think research is saying 400 to 700 fold. And if you understand that your cell or your body is like a battery, it's electric and has a very tight, let's say, range of the microcurrents, it will change it. It's just interfering with your nervous system. And it causes nitrosative stress, oxidative stress, all the variants we're always talking about. So it's really important to understand that people are getting more and more electro-hypersensitive.
Yeah.
And this is a thing that is woo-woo in classical medicine, but it's not. And it's so logic that if you have any metals in your body, that you're walking antenna.